So I just got done harvesting my kiwis. Today is October the 25th. These are my Artic kiwis, and look at those beauties. Although they look green, they are ripe. Well, most of them are. I just harvest them because there's going to be a frost, so they have to be picked up. So comparison wise, so you can see the size of it. This is a quarter, and you can see there slightly bigger than a quarter, but as you see over here, they're soft, very soft, and the flavor is amazing. So you see, if you plant it, then you'll harvest it, and the flavors is very delicious. They don't you can't compare it to a real kiwi. I mean the fuzzy kiwi, I should say. These flavors are totally sweet. There's no tartness in it. They taste so good. I mean, it is so good, and you eat the whole thing, skin and all, very thin. So Artic kiwi for 2019 was a good year. Not the best because it didn't produce a lot due to the immense amount of rain that we had in the springtime. But it still is a good harvest. And it's October the 25th. It's, almost ready for winter. And you still got fruit to harvest. I mean, that is, well, you can see the leaves right there. That is something here in the Northeast that not too many people can do, because not too many people know about this fruit. So look at this one. It looks all green, but you see, soft to the touch. They dent right away. Oh my goodness, so good, so good. From Patio Frutal. Hope you have your own kiwi vine someday. Have a good evening.